Hi, my name is Marin, and I'm here to share with you a really awesome core ab workout that you can do anywhere, anytime. It's super important to make sure that you're working out your core and your abs being a large part of your core, because the core is your center. It's the place that houses all the strength and efficiency in working through a load when you're working out, picking up something heavy, or just walking or sitting throughout the day. This is what's protecting the spine, and that spine is what's housing all the nerve endings throughout your entire body. So it's really important to make sure you have a very strong core to maintain good health, good posture, and to reduce your risk for injury. So let's begin. The first exercise we're going to do are plank thrusters. You're going to place both hands on the floor, elbows down, and you can grasp your hands just like I'm doing here and place your feet up. So I'm here in a good plank position. Everything's nice and even. I'm going to drop my hips to the floor without resting them on the floor. They're just touching. As you can see, I can lift my legs. So it's a nice hollow in the back slightly. And with a big exhale, I'm lifting my hips towards the sky and sort of rotating my shoulders, pushing my torso away, creating this nice triangle. My feet stay still. So again, drop, exhale. After that, we're going to do plank sways. So we're getting in a flat plank position. And we're just swaying side to side. If you want to make this a more advanced movement, you can bring both hips to the ground all the way in a full half circle motion. You want to maintain a nice tight core, breathing throughout this whole motion. And we're going to do this a few times. And then we're going to get on our hands and do some mountain climbers for some cardio. It's going to work out your shoulders, keep the core nice and tight. It's going to work through the body from the shoulders all the way down to the legs with that core. And then we're going to rotate and do some Russian twist. So with Russian twist, you want to make sure your core is nice and tight. You want to lean back as far as you can, placing your hands in sort of a prayer pose in front of your chest. Lift your feet off the ground, keeping the ankles together. Don't cross them, just keep them together using the inner thigh muscles. And then you want to rotate with your shoulders side to side. A lot of times if you don't feel like you're doing this, so we don't want to do this. That's not going to be an efficient movement. So as long as you make sure that you're rotating completely, and you can do this by rotating shoulders, touch the ground. Rotating the shoulders, touch the ground. If this is too difficult for you to do it with your feet up, just put your feet down. So we're going to do this. Full range of motion. So those are 4 exercises that we're going to do, and we're going to do them in one round together. So let's begin. We're going to try to do 10 reps of everything and 10 reps on each side of the mountain climbers, so 20 total. Here we go. Plank thrusters. That's 1. Be very deliberate in squeezing your core when you exhale. Good. Good. Let's do sways now. 2, 3. Keep that butt down. 4. Nice and flat back. 6. Again, you can do all the way down to the ground if you want. Last one. Good. Now up on our hands, and we're going to mountain climb. 20 times total. It goes really quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Again, you want to maintain a low butt, straight back. Breathe deep. Good. Now we're going to Russian twist. So full range of motion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. So what you want to do with this set is you want to take a little breather if you feel like you need to, and then you want to repeat it 3 to 4 times, making a total of 4 to 5 sets. But we're going to continue on to the next circuit so you guys can get that in, and you can combine them afterwards to get a complete ab workout. So the next circuit we're going to do is we're just going to lay down flat on the ground, arms out in a T, and your legs are just relaxed in anatomical position. You're going to lift one leg, and the opposite arm's going to lift and touch that toe. If you can't touch a toe, that's fine. Use your core to crunch and crunch up. And then we're going to switch sides. After that, we're going to do full mommy sit-ups. So I like these, arms up straight towards the ceiling, and then just sit up. Your legs are flat and straight on the ground, just like a mummy, and then back in your coffin, and then raise from the dead, and then back in the coffin. But you can see that it's a very controlled motion. When I come back into my coffin, I'm not just flopping on the floor. You want to control it. After this, we're going to sit upright, and we're going to do jackknives, or these are modified jackknives, I'm sorry. So you're gonna place both hands here behind your glutes, and then you're going to stick your legs out up off the ground. Exhale, squeezing, tucking those knees into your chest, using that core and exhaling through that whole motion. So inhale, exhale. After that, we're just gonna do a light cardio. So we're just gonna get up and we're going to jog in place, giving ourselves little butt kicks, kind of loosening everything up and airing the whole muscle system out. So let's do one set together, and the same rules apply for this set. Afterwards, you want to take a little break and then repeat the whole set 3 to 4 times. So it's going to be a total of 4 to 5 repetitions around. And if you combine this with circuit 1, you're going to get a really great workout. So let's begin. Transverse toe touches. We're going to do 10 total of each exercise. Good. I think we've done 12, and I think that's 14. So here we go, full mommy sit-ups. 10 of these. Good. Make sure you give that extra reach at the very end, right here. And exhale. Nice and controlled. Nice. Almost there. 3 more. Keep it controlled. You guys are doing good. Last one. All the way back down. Now, up here, hands supporting you, lean back a bit, and tuck. Good. Exhale. If you need to set it down at the end, that's fine. Touch your heels at the floor. Nice exhaling. Good. Now butt kicks. Here we go. We're going to do 30 of these. Keep it light on your feet, core nice and tight, shoulders back. Do this with vigor. Do this with energy. Nice deep breaths. Nice job, guys. So thank you so much for joining me in this nice big ab set workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to take the time to make your core nice and strong and evenly work out the rest of your body. My name's Marin, and I'll see you next time.